Good morning, students. So, the topic prepositions is going on, and we have discussed the prepositions of time, place, position, direction, and motion. So, today we shall try to fill the exercises that based on these time, motion, direction, or the other. So, see on the top it is written prepositions of time. It is at, in, on, till, by, with, in, within, since, for, from, for, before, after, and during. So let us try to fill the exercise with the help of these prepositions. So see on the second number, it is exercise number 43. So let us see it. He came not before but at 6 o'clock. Then wait just for a moment. Third number, I am free from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. I am free from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. I went there on Sunday. I have not eaten anything since morning. I have not eaten anything since morning. He walked from dawn till dusk. He walked from dawn till dusk. The two friends met after a long time. The two friends met after a long time. Then this happened in 1992. He did nothing in my absence. I bought these toys on Diwali. You must come back till evening. I play every day in the evening. Now see the next exercise. Let us try to fill this also. The dog hid itself under the table. The dog hid itself under the table. I kept the important papers in the safe. Then third one, what were you looking for or what were you looking at? Then he had a smile on her face. He had a smile on her face. I looked through the window and saw a camel. I looked through the window and saw a camel. He is sitting in the office. The policeman ran after the thief. The child sat near its mother. Spread the carpet on the floor. Spread the carpet on the floor. Don't lean against the electric pole. Don't lean against the electric pole. There are some good books in the library. The sky is over us. 13th number. I threaded my way through the crowd. 14th number. The peon sits beside the office. 15th number. He climbed up the tree inch by inch. 16th number. We rushed through the main gate. 17 number. He lives in a town. 18 number. She lives at C10 Shastri Nagar, Meerut, because when the address is given we have to write at. And we live in Asia, and under our feet was the slippery ground. So in this way we have solved these two exercises, and others you try to solve, and tomorrow we shall discuss them also. Okay, so bye students.